Welcome to the Meritum Update. In recent months, there has been some debate on what will provide better financial returns given the current state of the Australian and world share markets. During these times, it is important to remember that a level of unpredictability is a fundamental feature of market cycles that occurs from time to time. In this issue, we look at understanding what a platform is and explore whether it may be a suitable investment vehicle for you. We also show you how critical illness insurance can minimize the financial impact a critical illness may have on you or your loved ones as you journey through the twists and turns of life. If you would like more information on any of the topics in this newsletter or any other investment advice, please contact our experienced and professional advisors. Many higher income earners, especially younger ones, rely significantly on the income they receive from employment or self-employment to meet their living expenses, service high debt levels and/or fund future wealth creation strategies. As a result, an illness or injury that leaves them unable to work could have a detrimental impact on their lifestyle. In other words, with the exception of individuals who have significant net wealth and/or derive a large proportion of their income from passive sources such as investments, income protection (IP) insurance can be just as important for higher income earners as it is for everyday Australians. When establishing an IP policy, two commonly used approaches are self-ownership and having the policy owned by the trustee of a super fund. For higher income individuals who are eligible to claim their super contributions as a tax deduction or are able to make salary sacrifice contributions, the after-tax cost will generally be the same as self-ownership, where they can claim the IP premiums as a tax deduction. Also, in both cases, the benefits are accessible to the life insured. Is cash a better investment temporarily than shares? For the last 3 years, the share market has provided the worst returns since the Depression. On the upside, cash deposits have provided safe and stable returns with an average offer rate of 5.6% at major banking institutions. Providing factual data and ratings to Australian consumers and financial institutions, Canex showed that the average rate of a one-year term deposit in 2007-2008 was 6.53%. In 2008-2009, it was 5.04% and 5.23% in 2009-2010. When we compare these figures to the average returns on the ASX 200 of 6.6% for the same 3-year period, it's not hard to see that cash has been the better performer. With the Reserve Bank expected to lift interest rates again in the coming months, Canex financial analyst Adam Bowe says the outlook for term deposits remains positive. Life is full of risks. Some are preventable, some are avoidable and some are unforeseeable. You cannot predict what might happen. However, with critical illness insurance, you can minimize the financial impact a critical illness has on you and your loved ones as you journey through the twists and turns of life. If you recognize that you are underinsured or are not covered at all, don't wait till it's too late. Make a commitment to you and your family and act today by talking to one of our financial advisors. We can help you find the right types of cover for your needs and set your cover at the most appropriate level. Platforms. Using a master fund, you can invest in a number of underlying investments, usually wholesale managed funds, and access a selection of fund managers. A wrap account is a service that lets you set up a portfolio of investments. While the service helps you hold your investments are held in your own name. You receive regular reports on the investments held within the portfolio. If you would like more information on any of the topics in this newsletter or any other investment advice, please contact our experienced and professional advisors.